Hi everyone and welcome back to the Ops Visit. Today is day 9 and we are looking at what store managers do every day. If you're interested in becoming one or just want to know about their role, the video is for you. Store managers are key players in making sure a retail store runs well. They handle a lot of different tasks to keep everything smooth for customers and staff. Here's what they usually do. First, leading the team. Store managers hire, train, and lead their teams. They tell everyone do their best in serving customers and keeping the store tidy and organized. Second, running the store day to day. They manage everyday tasks like setting work schedules, making sure the store is clean, and keeping track of stock to ensure customers find what they need. Third, keeping an eye on sales. Store managers watch how the store is performing in sales. They look for ways to do better, following plans from higher up in the company. Fourth, handling customer service. They deal with customer complaints and make sure the team is friendly and helpful. Fifth, making sure rules are followed. It's their job to make sure the store follows all safety and health rules, keeping everyone safe. Sixth, setting up sales and promotion. They set up sales and special deals as directed by the company, making sure customers know them about that. These jobs are all about making the store as a great place to shop and work. If you want to become a store manager, start by learning all you can about running a store. Try to lead small projects or ask to help your manager with their tasks to get a feel for the job. Being a store manager is a big job with lots of variety and challenges, but it's also very rewarding as you help your team and store succeed. Interested in more about working in a Dale? Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment below your questions or experiences. Keep watching the Ops Wizard for more great tips. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow.